as well. Goodbye to the well-known Old Bailey, where I once used to cut such a swell. It's not leaving old England we care about, or sailing for lands far away. It's the awful monotony wears us out, and just thinking of Botany Bay. Singing for Eli, oh Eli, oh Eli. Singing for Eli, oh Eli. Singing for Eli, oh Eli, oh Eli. Singing for Eli, oh Eli. Now come all you dookies and duchesses, just listen to what I've to say. Be sure that you owns all your duchesses, or they'll land you in Botany Bay. Singing for Eli, oh Eli, oh Eli. Singing for Eli, oh Eli. Singing for Eli, oh Eli, oh Eli. Singing for Eli, oh Eli. Oh, had I the wings of a turtle dove, away on me pinions I'd fly, right into the arms of me lady love, and stay there forever and die. Singing Torelai, Orelai, Orelai. Singing Torelai, Orelai. Singing Torelai, Orelai, Orelai. Singing Torelai, Orelai. Goodbye to old England forever. Goodbye to me uncles as well. Goodbye to the well-known Old Bailey, where I once used to cut such a swell.
Oh, God, they've come. Nice to see them, after 2 years of not even enough sheep to need them. All new lads, I think. Not a bad-looking lot for shearing men.
It's not
That one's quite a dandy.
Which? Oh, the one in the white, you mean? I suppose he's all right. Bet he spends all his time washing and ironing, though, just to keep up appearances.
I'll bet a man with his looks doesn't have to do his own washing. Mrs. Smith.